Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming ownership and your right to access this phone. I cannot help you bypass security. Once done, gather the model name, the Google account email tied to the device, and a USB cable for support or data transfer. Make sure to note whether Find My Device or a manufacturer account, Samsung, Huawei, etc., is active. These facts determine lawful recovery options. If you're the owner, proceed with account recovery or official factory reset guidance, not lock circumvention. Once you've verified ownership, try official account-based recovery first. Google Find My Device can ring, lock, or erase if the device links to your Google account. Likewise, use the manufacturer's control panel. Samsung Find My Mobile offers unlock or backup restore options because these respect account authentication. If those fail and you accept data loss, a factory reset from recovery mode will restore access. Make sure you understand that erasing removes personal data. So if account recovery and manufacturer tools don't work, contact your mobile carrier or an authorized service center with proof of ownership. They can advise next steps without violating security. Once done, a certified technician or OEM support can check device status, apply legitimate unlock procedures, or perform a factory restore. Make sure you have the IMEI or serial number and purchase proof ready for verification. If data recovery is critical, mention that early technicians may recommend specialist services before any wipe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.